In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how you can buy an existing gas station with just a 10% down payment. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's possible with the help of an SBA loan. Let's get into it. First things first, what exactly is an SBA loan? SBA stands for Small Business Administration, a government agency that helps small businesses get the funding they need. The SBA doesn't lend money directly. Instead, they partner with approved lenders to offer loans with favorable terms. The beauty of an SBA loan is that it allows you to put down as little as 10% on a business acquisition, like a gas station. If you are interested in buying a gas station and need financing, we can help you. Please comment SBA, and we will send you more details. So, why invest in a gas station? Gas stations are not just about selling fuel. They're also retail businesses offering a variety of products, from snacks and drinks to lottery tickets. They generate multiple streams of income, which makes them a solid investment, especially when the financing terms are as favorable as with an SBA loan. Now, let's break down the process of buying a gas station with just 10% down. Step 1. Identify a profitable gas station. Look for stations with good traffic flow, solid financials, and potential for growth. You want a business that not only sustains itself but also has room to expand. Step 2. Secure your 10% down payment. This could be your savings, a gift from friends or family, or even a home equity line of credit. Keep in mind, the more you can put down, the better terms you might get. Step 3. Apply for an SBA loan. You'll need a solid business plan, financial projections, and the gas station's financials. The SBA lender will review your application, and if all goes well, you'll be approved for financing with just 10% down. If you are interested in buying a gas station and need financing, we can help you. Please comment SBA, and we will send you more details. Step 4. Conduct due diligence. Make sure the gas station's financials, environmental reports, and legal documents are in order. This is crucial to avoid any nasty surprises after the purchase. We have a team of people able to do the due diligence for you. Step 5. Close the deal. Once everything checks out, you'll finalize the purchase. With your SBA loan in place, you're ready to take ownership of your new gas station. And there you have it. A quick and straightforward way to buy a gas station with just 10% down using an SBA loan. This is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to enter the world of small business ownership with a manageable upfront investment. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. Until next time, keep hustling and making those business dreams a reality.